I really hope that you guys can hear me. The thing that connects my mic to my phone broke, so I'm just winging it with my phone mic. But as you can see from this video, I will be contouring and highlighting my face for a round face. I'm applying a Pictutorial. Now, first you want to start with your base. So for my base, I'm applying my Putty primer. Probably the best drugstore concealer ever. I mean, foundation ever. I mean, primer ever. What the heck? And now I'm color correcting. I'm doing a little color correcting with Maybelline, you know, just to make sure everything looks flawless. I want everything to look flawless. Like, I know some of my foundation comes out a lot better when I color correct first. Due to me, you know, having hyperpigmentation, I do have to take like the extra step of color correcting. Right now, I'm applying my Maybelline. No, this isn't Maybelline. This is L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, the infamous L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. Right now, I can match my skin. I don't know why, because it usually matches me, but in this video, it didn't like it matched me. But it is. It usually does match me. So now I'm following this pictorial. I'm doing the contour. I think you're supposed to do like the forehead. I believe I'm supposed to do like my forehead and then leave like a little gap at the top of my head. But I didn't follow the instructions. I did not understand the assignment. Next, I'll be making my chin look slimmer. I don't know why I said slimmer like that. But I'm using like this Juvias Place multi stick, and I believe Katsina. And next, I'll be highlighting. I usually don't do like my forehead highlight like that. It usually looks a little smaller, but for the video, not for the video. In the picture, the highlight was it was a little extra, a lot more extra than I usually do. Cause I don't usually do my concealer that far over. And you can see that my contour and my highlight, like on the sides, kind of touching. So I have to be like really careful when it comes to like blending, so that they would not mix. And I'm using the kabuki brush to bring out my contour. I just feel as though it gets like a more diffused look, like a more blended look, and I think it's less time consuming. I mean, I could use a beauty blender, but I just feel like it's just less time consuming. Cause like, do you see how big that brush is? But anywho, if you are following this tutorial, don't do like me. Make sure you blend out your highlighter first before blending out your concealer, because at the end you're gonna see that it was kind of hard for me to blend out my forehead concealer. Like the little heart, not hard. The little circle was hard to blend out. It's like it would not move. Like it's like the foundation, not the foundation. You see it in the clip there. It's like the concealer was like stuck to my forehead, and I even went with my Morphe spray, and it didn't really work either. So it was a lot. And right now I'm just going back in and doing it. I don't know why. I think I went back in and did this because I didn't get the results that I wanted. Like I want like a more defined, not defined, I want like a highlight. I'm just gonna set there with my Black Radiance setting powder. We're gonna dust it away so we don't look, you know, cakey or whatever. And next, we're bronzing our face. Now we're actually setting our highlighter. Well, no, not highlighter. We're setting our contour with that Black Radiance contour palette. I used to shade in the middle, of course, the dark shade. Set off, then I want my Black Radiance setting powder, and I believe milk chocolate. And next I'll be spraying my Morphe spray just to mix everything together so that it looks more natural. This is the end of the video. I have my full face done. Let me know what you guys think about this. Would you guys practice this round face hack? I want to hear your opinions down below, and see you guys in the next video.
Like, if any background, what am I saying? No.